This is IBM Museum, and I'm also doing some unboxings of items that arrived while I was away at Computer Reset. So I'm going to get the internal webcam cycled off and get back on the camcorder view. This item actually even came from Bulgaria. So I'm interested. I mean, that interesting packaging and tape. A customs form even. Be interesting to see how this was valued there. Not a well, we'll see what. Bulgaria knows the story for I guess it'll make more sense as I get it opened up. And this packing paper is a little, I'm trying to think what the equivalent feel is for me. And in some other oh my goodness, packaging. No, I did not. It is not going to be what shows on the cover there. Beauty Fly nail lamp. And that's what women stick their nails when they're done. I've been working. My fingernails are dirty. And all the stamps of not what to do with it. It's a model JH-818. Oh, and there's the different models of those. But let's open up this box to show the actual contents. I mean, I hope it wouldn't be a fingernail Beautifly nail lamp. I thought I cut that, yes. Okay, and some good old styrofoam packaging in there. These are, that's fairly heavy in itself for shipping to me by weight. And I think it had just a flat, I mean, it was worldwide shipping when I saw it. So I'll go through and have to pay. So this is the unit. Oh, it's got all sorts of keypads. A magnetic stripe reader. Like I say, that's got some weight to it. Manufactured in USA. Type 4717-003. Interesting if there's any web content for anything like that. And of course, it's got there's your entrance for your card. And be just interesting to see the protocol and everything for it. We're going to look at this connector. And it looks an awful lot like a PS2 connection. Like it could be put on a system. I mean, you have that's a you know, this would have to be rather close to the PC for that to be going to like a keyboard port or something. But 6-pin mini DIN. And then the other side, and this is lighter. See if I can pull it out one of the ends. Okay. And this has got a very similar cable as keyboard, PS2 keyboard or mouse. The ferrite bead on there, and then it's okay. So that's a 4718. Even has a, oh cool, that's a styrofoam little ball, so we get to see the full part number. And manufactured in USA, so it came back to the USA. I don't know different languages, but there's something in the translation here. Slut. And you have a slut key. I'm not going to comment. I mean, is that Russian or something? I mean, it's adhesive back, Scotch even. Maybe we can learn the translation. Okay, so there's that. So is slut the same thing as okay? Fin of the origins of the English word finish. There's slut again. I don't know how many different languages. Oh, okay. That looks like Spanish. So, okay. German, maybe? Yeah, it's fine there. That may be Italian. Mm. And I'm in, nothing in English, but let's see if the microphone will pick that up. You got your keypad and magnetic stripe reader, the 4717, the 4718. I can go through and see if there's anything I find on these as I'm going through and uploading the video. I can go through and link it into the video description. But well, that was kind of neat. And it traveled all the way from Bulgaria to get here so I could put it on video. I don't think it was too much, but they must have, the seller must have paid an incredible amount for shipping of something like that for all that. So I don't know, but just kind of some of that Oddware, and I'll have to see if I can find any information, see what those interfaces, see if they're actually some sort of keyboard and mouse input that could be plugged in to, or whether they're in line with something otherwise, just to see the kind of applications there. So if you enjoyed the video, go ahead and click on that like button, and by all means subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. Recommend it to your friends that may be interested in this sort of off-the-wall Oddware content too. But that's all I have for now. This is IBM Museum. Thank you.